All right, now this is gonna be another one of those. Don't be telling my wife about this, because she's not she's not gonna be happy about this. But here I am by myself again, and I got to get that big roll of ground cover material out of that loft. So here we go. And I have no idea how well this is going to work. But, I guess it works about like that. That far. Now, I gotta hang up the most important tool that I have here. It doesn't get used near enough, but I need to work on that. Yeah, my hammock. Pretty hard to keep that thing clean back here or by the donkey, because I put it by the donkey pen. So actually I hang it in a tree in the donkey pen. Now let's see if I can wrestle this thing onto this front end loader. That's too far. Maybe. Maybe not. I'm going to leave this rope out here because I tend to use it every now and then. All right, well, sort of. But I can take it that way a little bit. Yeah, maybe it'll ride there. If not, I'm gonna have to stop and adjust it. That doesn't look good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That should be somewhere near the middle. All right. Don't tell my wife I was up in the loft hanging from a rope or anything like that.